Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer shares with eTrade, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer shares with eTrade, start by logging into your eTrade account. From the home screen, navigate to the Accounts tab. In the drop-down menu, select Transfer. Choose Transfer Securities from the available options. You will now be prompted to select the type of transfer you wish to perform. Select whether you are transferring shares from another brokerage or between accounts. If transferring from another brokerage, enter the details of the external account. Provide the account number and routing information for the other brokerage. Next, specify the securities you want to transfer. You can enter the number of shares or the full position for each security. Once you've entered the necessary information, review your selections carefully. If everything is correct, click on Continue to proceed. eTrade may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, you will see a summary of your transfer request. Review this summary to ensure all details are accurate. Finally, submit your transfer request by clicking the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation of your request via email once it's processed. Keep an eye on your account for updates regarding the status of your transfer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.